Welcome back to our channel. This is Family of 5 Quick Tips, where we give quick tips as parents of 3 to help with everyday life. I'm Joel, and in this video, this is going to be about removing the cover in the car seat from this Graco Nautilus 65 LX and show you the several easy steps to be able to take it apart so you can wash it, clean it, put it back together, get it back on the road. So not too long ago, we made a video about this Graco Nautilus 65 unboxing, and so you can see how easy it is to pull it out of the box, put it together, and be able to put it in the car, and so you can get on your way quickly and easily. It didn't take a whole lot. It was pretty simple, so just check out that video. Okay guys, we're about to get to the meat and potatoes of this video and show you how quickly it is to take apart this cover. But before we do, if you like this video at all, man, just give it a thumbs up, click that like, and if you want to see more from the Family of 5 Quick Tips, click subscribe. Hey, it's free, and we like you. Thank you guys. You can also hit that bell because we put out videos every Tuesday morning so you can see the latest and greatest that comes out from the Family of 5 Quick Tips. Okay, diving into this bad boy. All right, I have the baby carrier insert in, and it's all buckled. We'll release it, give it a little room, take off these shoulder pads, and then the buckle pad. Once that's unbuckled, you're able to pull out this infant insert. I like to extend this up so I can maybe see what I'm doing. And we can start with the top. I'll turn it around. It has a couple of rubber bands and a couple of clips. So you're just removing those. Now take a note, there are several of these rubber bands, there are several of these hooks. It can get confusing whenever you put it back together. So just take note of that, where they come off. Try to remember, make a video for yourself, and then watch what you did so that you can see, or just rewind this one, play it over again and again, you'll like it. Awesome. Removing them. And then there's two clips here. Just remove the rubber band, and then turn it around. And then it slides off. The whole cover on the top part just slides off. Now you want to be very careful with this styrofoam here. This is breakable and you can damage this headrest, so you want to be very careful to keep it intact, being gentle to remove the cover, because once this is compromised, then the car seat is not necessarily in safe condition. So you just want to be mindful that this styrofoam can crack and can break. That can be thrown in the wash. And guys, just to let you know, I am moving this car seat around quite a bit just for the purposes of the video. You probably won't have to move it around as much as I do because you can move around the car seat and make it easier and accessible for you. So hopefully you guys can follow pretty easily. There's Velcro here at the top corners. All right, and then it has a plate. This plastic insert slides in these two slots so that it stays very well and very tight. So whenever you're putting it back together, you'll note that it's not just underneath here and just flopping around. It's actually got a slot that it stays in just to keep tight. So pull that out. And you'll make a note that there is another strap here. Just remove that one as well. And it's going to be the same for the other side. And that's kind of a funky spot whenever you put it back together. Again, quick tip, just knowing whenever you take this apart, there are some moving parts to put it back together that would help you. And we'll get to that. And then also back here on the back side, you have a clip in these rubber straps, clip in the rubber straps going up. And so that is for the body. There's two clips up here. Now, not to get confused, they're the two clips down below, which go on the base cushion seat. So let's remove those now too, since we see them. But we'll get to those in just a minute. But there is a little hook and then the elastic strap here. And then there is one on the bottom that's holding this front cover together. And then there is another one just underneath the base. That one's a little hard to get to, but that comes off. And once you have removed it, then that half should come off. Do the same thing for the other side. Removing the one underneath and the two on the side. Now I will let you know, we had a Graco car seat for a while now, and this is one of the newer ones, but on one of our older car seats, this metal clip was very finicky and the stitching came off, and so this metal clip came off. Now the car seat cover does stay on with this rubber clip, with this rubber strap here, and it just holds it together, but I do not have this other metal clip here to be able to hold it together with the inside of the base seat. So that is one downfall of these little metal clips that come on this cover car seat. I just feel like they could be a little better supported or stitched on there, but you know, it's not a huge deal breaker if it comes off. So minor things, wear and tear, it's a normal wear and tear. Just try to be careful whenever you're taking this apart so that you can maintain all those clips and rubber straps. Okay, now remove the base cover off of the buckle, and just remember what level you had it at, and the tightening strap will come loose. Throw that in the wash too. And now you're left with this bad boy still attached. In order to take these shoulder straps off, you turn it around, and you can note this clip here is holding it together. You'll want to pinch in the side and then move it over that clip, and so that it comes off. This is stitched together, that creates a loop, and it's easily to fit in this slot, slide down, and then have that loop fit right in that groove so that it's connected. So whenever you release it, you want to pinch one side down and let it follow out. Pinch one side down and let it follow out. And now it's removed. Now make a note whenever you put it back together, just keeping the sides flush and flat whenever putting it back together. So just making sure this side is flat. And turn it around. You're able to pull it out. All right, car seat cover removed. That's it. Now you're able to vacuum this bad boy out, clean it up, wash it off if you need to, and then put her back together. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more from the Family of 5 Quick Tips, click subscribe. And remember, be happy, have fun, and enjoy the season of life you're in. Thanks guys. Catch you next time.